SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation lets you automate repeatable business processes. In this tutorial, you will see how to start a free trial account using the SAP Business Technology Platform. On the SAP Intelligent RPA trial page, click on Register for Free. If you are a new user, enter the required details to create a new SAP ID. If you already have an SAP ID, log on with your email address and password. On the SAP BTP Cockpit page, click Enter Your Trial Account. A global account and space have been created for you. In the navigation area of your subaccount, click on Service Marketplace to see which applications are available to you. Click on the SAP Intelligent RPA tile to enter its overview page, and then click the Create button. Make sure you complete the SAP Intelligent RPA onboarding process to have access to your trial subaccount. In the Security tab, click on Role Collections to configure roles, then assign these roles to your users. As SAP Intelligent RPA requires desktop components, let's download and install these components for the trial version. Click on Useful Links, then Tools to open the SAP Development Tools page. Before downloading the on-premise components, make sure to install the required prerequisites, including Microsoft Visual C++ and remote tools for Visual Studio. Go to the Cloud tab and click on the download link in the SAP Intelligent RPA section. You can now install the desktop agent on your machine. Once the installation is done, launch the desktop agent and log on with your email and password. The agent is now up and running. You can now use the three components of the SAP Intelligent RPA suite. The Cloud Studio to design and edit your projects. The Cloud Factory supports you for orchestration. And the Desktop Agent allows you to run your bots. For more information on how to configure and use these components, go to the SAP Intelligent RPA page on the SAP Help portal.